Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, nice to meet you. I am Erica from Ericasgirlyworld and I am 46 years old. Very proud. But what that also means is that I am a skincare addict, okay? I am gonna die fighting. I'm gonna die fighting the aging process. Those of you who are my subscribers, you have heard me talk about that before, but I'm gonna go gracefully, okay? I don't wanna look like a clown, all right? So, because I'm always really trying to fight the signs of aging and really look my best, I am always researching skincare, right? You have to have an amazing skincare routine in order to look good. And that is way beyond Botox or fillers, because I know everybody in the world nowadays does their Botox and fillers, and so do I. But here's the thing, guys. Botox only paralyzes your muscles, but it doesn't take care of your skin. It doesn't take care of the texture of your skin, of radiance, or like uneven skin tone. And same thing with fillers. Fillers, all they do is they add volume. You inject something in your skin and you make your cheeks look bigger, and in turn that kind of hides wrinkles better. But none of those things truly take care of how your skin looks and really don't help with important processes in your body that really help you look youthful. So let's talk about some of those signs of aging, which such a pleasure to talk about them, right? If you are feeling the struggle, you know what I'm talking about. Girls, the struggle is real, okay? So, you know, as you age, your skin kind of starts, first of all, falling to the ground, because gravity is your enemy. You know, sometimes you gotta pick up your cheeks on the ground when you're getting ready, doing your makeup, right? And it also looks kind of like papery thin, you know, like really wrinkly and dehydrated. It doesn't retain moisture as well. It loses the fullness. And that's because a few things are happening in your body. And one of them, a really important process that happens in your body, is collagen production. When you are young, collagen production is at its peak. So your face looks so full, your cheeks look so full and radiant. I remember when I was young, I didn't care about a thing in the world. In my 20s, my skincare routine was like some moisture in my face and then some moisturizer in my legs, because I wanted my legs to look shiny when I wore mini skirts. As you age, collagen production goes down. I know, guys, it's not fun. It's just the reality of it, okay? That's how it is. So what do we do about it? We fight it. We fight it with technology, okay? That's what I do. And if I sound really technical right now, it's because I am a chemical engineer. That is my background. So I am all about the technology. When I buy new skincare, when I look at skincare companies to collab with, I read every ingredient in every product. I know which ingredients are proven to work. I really get into the fine print, guys, because that's what I'm all about. So if you are suffering with any of these super fabulous fun symptoms I just talked about, this video is for you. It's for you and me, okay? So let's talk a little bit about the skincare system that I'm talking about in this video today. One thing that piqued my interest about this advanced skincare system is that it uses CBD oil. And if you haven't heard of CBD oil, I don't know where you have been, my friend, because CBD oil is the ingredient of the moment. Widely used in supplements right now, but in skincare, it's an innovation, which is why it piqued my interest to try the Thrive Advanced Skincare System. So when this company contacted me for collaboration, and guys, I don't collaborate a lot with skincare companies because I am very picky, okay? I've had my channel for like 3 years, I think, and I have collabed, I think, with 3 skincare companies in 3 years, okay? Because I'm a stickler. When they contact me, I watch their videos, I look at the products, I read the ingredient list, and if it doesn't sound good, it is not making it to my channel. So what happens is, when I accept a collaboration, I have already done the due diligence, and then I ask for the products, I try the products, and if I don't like them, the video doesn't happen. You know, it goes to the black hole of collaborations that never happened. This company sparked my interest because it had innovation. Some studies have already showed CBD oil as an anti-inflammatory and a powerful antioxidant, which, if you don't know what an antioxidant is, well, when you go out during the day and you expose your skin to all of these damaging elements, sun, pollution, right? That kind of takes a toll on your skin. An antioxidant antioxidant. It's gonna help you protect your skin against this damage. So very important to have antioxidants as part of your skin care routine. The thing with skincare, guys, is technology, not just with skincare, with everything, it moves at lightning speed. So I know we all have our skincare products that we know and love, but if you are not really trying some new things, you are definitely missing out on really making a step change on how your skin looks. Let's talk about the product. So this is an advanced CBD skincare system, which I think is so cool, okay? And it comes in this super cool packaging, and the principles of this skincare system are peel, reduce, and restore. So the first step is actually the peel step, and this is the Infinite CBD Enzyme Peel, and it is this gel consistency product right here. And guys, I mean, this to me was a crazy experience. So this peel, not only it has really soothing and calming antioxidants that are gonna really help you fight all of the harmful elements that I talked about, right? When your skin has a bad texture, when you have fine lines and wrinkles, your skin looks dull. But the coolest part about this is that it has natural enzymes that digest your dead skin cells. I know. It sounds kind of crazy, right? But okay, so here's what happens. You put this on your skin, and as you are massaging your skin, you feel it flocculating, and then you actually start seeing clumps of dead skin. I'm not kidding you. And that is the dead skin coming out of your face. I've never tried anything like this before, guys. And like, as soon as you get it out, your skin already looks different. Like, I felt like my skin was more even, it was super radiant, it was bright, it felt so clean. I mean, this is one of those products that you see the difference right away. The other part of it is because you really deeply cleansed your skin, now your skin is ready for the goodness of all of the products, right? Because you want your skin to be clean. That's an important step, because you want the products to be able to be absorbed through your pores so they can be effective. And the next step is the reduce step, and this is the serum that you're gonna use, which is the Infinite CBD Correcting Serum. Now, this serum, again, good for all skin types. This is a very powerful serum because it has so many different benefits, guys. It's a calming and soothing antioxidant. It really helps with moisture depletion. When I look at the ingredients for the serum, guys, I feel like they did an amazing job combining nature, because it has a lot of very powerful natural ingredients, with science and innovation, really with the CBD oil. It's called Reduce because the objective of the serum is to really reduce the effects of oxidative stress in your skin. All of those harmful elements that are hitting your skin on a regular basis. And then the two things that are really the most important for me on this serum, that really sold me on it, is that it really promotes collagen production and cell turnover. Guys, your skincare routine has to have ingredients that promote collagen production. And then cell turnover is another critical process for me, because here's the deal. When you look in the mirror, I see my forehead especially, your skin looks kind of dead. It looks like paper thin, super depleted of moisture. And the best way to fix that is to really get rid of that top layer of your skin and then promote new cells to come along that look healthier and more radiant. Now, the third step on the skincare regimen is the Infinite AM PM CBD Moisturizing Elixir. Now, this elixir is really amazing, guys. It actually has a patent microencapsulation technology, which really delivers moisture to your skin. So remember, on top of collagen production and removing the top layer of your skin, you really have to focus on moisture and hydration all the time. Now, this step is called Restore because the focus here is really restoring the overall health of your skin and really working on evening your skin tone. So you just, put a thin layer of this on your face as the last step. Right away, your skin is gonna feel smoother, brighter, more radiant. Now, on top of the Peel, Reduce, and Restore advanced skincare system, I want to talk to you guys about some of the additional products that Thrive sent to me, and oh my God, okay? So the first one I want to talk about is the Infinite Charcoal Activated Mask. And when I saw activated charcoal on this mask, I was already very happy because I am very familiar with activated charcoal. Activated charcoal, in very plain, simple language, it's kind of like, think about a bowl with a lot of holes in it, right? Almost like cheese, but a lot more holes in it. And this is on a molecular level, okay? So what happens is, because of the charge of the activated charcoal and this porous surface that it has, it kind of like attracts the dirt. So all of the dirt kind of gets trapped in these holes, okay? And it really deeply cleanses your skin. I mean, it is noticeable immediately. And because you are removing all of these impurities from your pores get nice and tight. And the next one I want to talk about is the Infinite Hand and Foot Reparative Cream. One of the interesting things about getting older, and I'm going to say interesting here because I'm trying to put a positive spin on this, okay, if there is any. I mean, I am wiser, definitely older and wiser. But I want to be older, wiser, and firmer. Is that okay? So anyway, one of the interesting things of getting older is that you start you find problems with areas in your body that you did not have to worry about before. Do you think I worried about my neck when I was 20 years old? Of course not. My knees? Your hands are an area that really show your age. So you have to start investing in products to take care of these areas so your body is looking just as good as your face. So this hand cream, so luxurious. It has lavender as part of its fragrance, which I love. It reminds me of my childhood, actually. But here's the thing. It is so rich and so luxurious. The goal here is moisture, guys, okay? So it has shea butter, it has aloe vera, it has also jojoba seed oil. Oh my gosh, you feel this amazing layer of rich moisture on top of your skin. And then your feet. I use lotion on my feet all the time. Last thing you want is to put a fabulous pair of shoes and then your feet are all dry and full of cracks. That's so embarrassing. You gotta take your time, ladies, hands and feet, okay? The second to last one I wanna talk about, this was one of the items that they sent me. I think one of my favorite items. Kind of hard to pick one, but okay, so this is a bar soap, and you might think, okay, a bar soap, how exciting can that be? So this is called the Infinite Daily Detox Purifying Bar. This is actually black, okay? And it is black because it also has charcoal, okay? Can you imagine the power of charcoal all over your body, really deep cleansing all of your pores, removing all of the impurities, and then this is also packed with moisturizers. And then the most exciting part about the soap, in my opinion, my humble opinion, is that it has acids, okay? It has glycolic acid and salicylic acid. And in case you did not know, acids are really important for your skincare regimen as well. Do you know why? They promote cell turnover. So you're talking about rough skin on your knees, rough skin on your elbows, your feet. So I saved the most interesting for last, which is called the Infinite Skin and Hair Peptide Gel. Now guys, the principle here, which I think is so cool, is that you also need to work on staying beautiful from the inside. So this is a gel that you swallow. Put this on your mouth, you swoosh it for 20 seconds, and then you swallow the gel. This gel has peptides, and I've talked about peptides in videos before, but peptides are basically amino acids, and amino acids are the building blocks of protein. And my friends, protein is your friend. I want to bathe in protein, okay? So just kidding. But you should be eating protein every day, okay? Like crazy. Protein is the building blocks of muscles. It helps you stay younger. It helps you stay firmer. These are some micronutrients that are so important for your hair to look good, your skin to look good. Guys, if you don't have a balanced diet, it is very important that you are taking these micronutrients from a different source to fill in the gaps on your diet, because these things are critical for you to look beautiful, infinite beauty, right? So this is it, guys. This is a power pack of products for your skin regimen. I will be in the eternal battle against aging, okay? So I'm always gonna be bringing for you the latest and greatest to help you stay beautiful forever. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.